Hi, this is Stephanie, and now I'm going to talk about adding journaling to your page. Journaling is a very important part of your scrapbook. It's how you're going to tell the story. A lot of people get bogged down in, I sound stupid when I'm writing, but you really don't. I know for my family, they sit down and read it out loud to each other. They get a lot of enjoyment out of it. It's how you remember things. For example, here's a very old layout that I did, and this one happens to be one of my nephew's favorite. It's a picture of them eating French fries at my father's concession stand that no longer exists. And my nephews are like, well, how do you remember that we really enjoyed those French fries? And I remember it because we wrote it down, and this turned into a memory. So you're documenting even the mundane things about your life. They turn out to be really important things. I mean, my family turns back to this page all the time and really gets a major kick out of it. Use your handwriting. I use my handwriting because don't you like to see like your grandmother's handwriting or your mother's handwriting in years to come? I mean, it's nice. You don't always have to use your handwriting though. I mean, you can use the computer and computer journal. There's all kinds of different fonts that you can use. You can also, if there's, you don't have to have meaningful journaling on every single page that you do. But, it's fun to add things. You can add song lyrics, your favorite quote that might match the page, a poem that you like. Just tell your story. That's what your scrapbook is about. It's preserving your memories, and your words are a very important part of that.